What is cracking, guys? Here we are back with another break. Welcome. I appreciate everybody stopping by tonight. We're going to do break number 26. This is going to be for two 2019 Mosaic Tmall edition boxes. Really my favorite product. Love ripping these. Love grabbing you guys some hits. Hope everyone's having a great week. Looking forward to the weekend. How you doing there, buddy? Welcome. Ryan, what's going on, dude? James, what's up, buddy? Glad to see you here, my guy. Looks like you got the Cleveland Cavs tonight. Let's go. Let's pull you a Bronny, man. Let's pull you some Darius Garland. Yeah, I haven't seen any Genesis in this product, to be honest with you. I don't know if they're not in here or not. It doesn't look like it. Somebody before was asking if there's any available teams. We are actually waiting on one last payment. It's the Sacramento Kings and the hottest team in the NBA, the Utah Jazz. Yeah, I love Garland too, man. That dude's a savage. Colin Sexton too. Sorry about that. I am back. I just had to check on something. Yeah, so it looks like the guy who bought the Sacramento Kings and the Utah Jazz did not pay. So those two teams are open. If anybody wants to snatch up the Sacramento Kings and the Utah Jazz, looks like he paid, well, he was going to pay a little over 20 bucks, $22, something like that. So if anybody wants the Sacramento Kings and the Utah Jazz for $20, free shipping, holler now in the chat. First one can get it, or get them, shall I say. Brian Parker, looks like we got a winner. Brian Parker is the first one to say he wants Donovan Mitchell and De'Aaron Fox. 20 bucks, Brian Parker. You can send it to the same payment address as you sent your previous payment. Here it is. This is the PayPal address. I prefer to do friends and family, but if you do goods and services, that's fine too. It's free. You're killing me, James. You're killing me, man. Wait till you see what we pull you in this break, and then we'll worry about tomorrow. I got a good feeling about these two boxes, just so you guys know. Obviously, Tmall's getting more and more scarce by the week. I actually hand-picked these four boxes out of a case, and I'm usually pretty good at picking boxes when I get an opportunity actually to select them. So we will see. I'm going to put my picking skill magic on the line. And hopefully pull some bangers tonight. Shaw wants to know who has the Spurs tonight. The person that has the Spurs is a gentleman by the name of Gerald. Gerald has the Spurs tonight. Yeah, Brian, just let me know, man, when you send the 20. No big deal. I'm sure you're good for it. Break 26 tonight. We got break 27 tomorrow night. Oh yeah, James. You might be thinking about my buddy Pat. We both run the Royal Flush collectibles. All right. So let's do this. Actually, I do need to grab some top loaders because I'm sure we're going to be needing them. Seems like I haven't done a break in like a month, but I don't think it's been that long. All right, let's take a look at the team list. Let me update it real fast. It's like my man Brian Parker has two new teams. Brian, did you have any other teams already in the break? I don't even see your name on here, dude, unless you have a different name. Booty Bowl. Hell yeah, Ryan. That dude has the funniest pose in any sports card history, I think. Let's see. All right, let's take a look. Here we go. This is the updated list for break number 26. Atlanta Hawks going to go to my man James. Boston Celtics to Ryan. Michael S. has the Nets. The Hornets are going to Chad. Neil with the Bulls. James H. has the Cleveland Cavs. Wing with the Dallas Mavericks. Ryan with the Denver Nuggets. KC with the Detroit Pistons. Michael S. with the Golden State Warriors. Corey with the Rockets. Michael S. with the Indiana Pacers. The Clippers are going to go to Sasha. Michael H. has the Lakers and the Grizzlies. Tim with the Heat. Chad with the Bucks. Daniel with the T-Wolves. Craig with the Pelicans. Daniel with the Knicks. The Thunder are going to Gerald. Michael H. with the Magic and the Sixers. Ricky has the Phoenix Suns. Daniel with the Portland Trailblazers. Brian Parker has the Sacramento Kings. Gerald has the Spurs and the Raptors. Brian Parker with the Utah Jazz. The Washington Wizards are going to go to Daniel, and James H. is going to close this out with Team USA. So that looks good. New Orleans Pelicans. Craig, are you in the chat by chance, Craig? Say hi in the chat, Craig, if you were here. I just have a quick question for you. So much nicer now. I have a new setup and I have a lot more room. It's actually beautiful. Let's put him over here and do this one first. Ryan Sanders, you're killing me, bro. That's so true. He almost Bol almost looks like he should have had like red lipstick or something on in his. If I was him, man, I would have demanded a reshot. Like, give me the second chance at another pose or something. I mean, who set him up for that one? Michael H, what's going on, my guy? How you doing, bro? Let's get some jaws. Hell yeah, let's go. All right. Let's do this. Box number 1. Good luck, boys and girls. It's the best card ever. I want to like interview Bol and ask him like, does he regret making that pose, man? Like, I don't know. You're never going to live that down, you know? It's kind of like Dr. Dre on that one. Remember that one CD fucking album cover where he was like wearing like a silver dress or something like that in the back in the 90s? We got a jumbled box. That's usually a good sign. Forever immortalized. So true, man. I was watching a break the other day and there was a pack actually hidden underneath this thing. It's crazy. I'm gonna like pull it out from now and make sure that there's no bonus pack in there. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this camera angle good? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, and 12. Yeah, The Chronic, exactly. That's still a dope album, man. I don't care what anyone says. That the 80s had like good music and movies. Early 90s too, for sure. All right, let's do this, guys and gals. Pack number 1. Good luck. I'm feeling it tonight. I think we might work some magic. Starting us off with a Blake Griffin. Standing on his head. All right. Detroit Pistons, Blake Griffin. DeLon Wright for the Dallas Mavericks. Jeremy Grant, Denver Nuggets. Our first red wave is a rookie. Wrong Pelican. Well, that could be a good sign. Nickeil Alexander-Walker, and on the back, there we go, James, an NBA debut, D. Garland. So starting us off a decent pack. Damn, Blake Griffin. You tell him, James. You tell him, bro. Terrence Ross, Orlando Magic. Ben Simmons for Philly. Philly playing crazy ball right now. Wendell Carter Jr. for the Chicago Bulls. And our red wave, it's not the best. Bojan Brogdon. And on the back, we got Bruno Fernando, ATL. All right. 3 packs in. No gold wave yet. Eric Bledsoe for the Bucks. John Collins, ATL. Bam Adebayo. This guy's having a savage season. I love Bam Adebayo. I think he's a sneaky pickup if you guys are collecting anybody. Our red wave is going to be a rookie. Let's go, Kevin Porter Jr. Once my man gets his attitude straight, I think KPJ is going to be a savage. Nice hit, James. And on the back, we got a little taco action. Let's lace up my man KPJ. I just hope that Kevin Porter Jr., man, doesn't throw away his career by acting like an idiot. Dude's got savage potential, man, and it would be a shame to waste that much talent, but it wouldn't be the first time an athlete has, pissed away his career. It's crazy, man. You gotta have solid people in your circle get you straight, Yeah, KPJ, James, I think he's a sneaky pickup right now. Super underpriced. I got a couple of his autos and stuff too out for grading right now, and definitely still high on him. Royce O'Neal starting us off for the Utah Jazz. Kyrie. Paul George. Clippers. Our red wave of this pack is going to be right team, but the wrong Laker. KCP. And on the back, we got a Hall of Famer, AI. AI's cards are taking a spike right now, man. People are trying to scoop up Allen Iverson rookies. All those veterans, man, from back in the day when the NBA was like insane. People are trying to scoop those guys up. Tim Duncan. Cards are hot right now. Frank the Tank. New York Knicks. We got our first gold wave coming up in this pack. Mark Gasol for the Toronto Raptors. Paul Millsap. And what I'm going to do, actually, just to make it more fun and keep the suspense going, let's put down this pack. It is our first gold wave. Let's save that one to the end. We got a Klay Thompson. Scary Bobby. Ooh. Bobby Portis. Second worst photo in Mosaic behind Bol Bol. Russ Westbrook. You like that, Ryan? There you go, brother. Exactly. Build that up like a movie, We got some nice color right here. Oh, it's Brook Lopez. Thought it was Giannis. But no, it's Brook. We got a rookie on the back. Who's it going to be? Boom. There we go. Zion base. Looking as purty as possible. Nice hit for the Pelicans. Back looks nice. No scratches, no print lines. He's the best pitcher on the card. All right, Ryan, who is the worst pitcher then? If Bol Bol's photo of Mosaic 2019 is the best pitcher on a card, who have you ever seen that's worse than that? Zion showing up to the party. I told you, man. I told you I know how to pick these boxes, man. The guys at the LCS, they hate me. I'm like an Asian lady picking out fruit when it comes to sealed wax, man. I want to see all 60 that you got. I'm not as crazy as some of those guys. You ever see those guys at like Target or Walmart? They're like weighing packs and shit, like stand there holding them, and like I saw a dude literally with a tiny scale, and he was putting individual cello packs of baseball on a little scale. Literally right there inside Target. Pretty funny. Forbes for San Antonio. Thaddeus Young for the Chicago Bulls. Our red wave. It's an NBA debut. Cinnamon color. Rui Hachimura, nice hit for Washington. This is going out to Daniel. Red Wave Prism, NBA debut. Rui Hachimura, nice hit, dude. And on the back, we got a Steph Curry MVP. We have to pull a Bowl. I agree, man. We got to pull a. Let's pull a Gold Wave Bowl. I think this has been a pretty damn good box so far, and we are about halfway done. Damian Jones for ATL. Yeah, I agree, Ryan. That cow suit is brutal, man. Lonzo Ball, the less talented Ball brother. For the Pelicans. PJ Tucker. A little scratch action, but we can get it off. Our red wave of this pack is going to be Dennis Schroeder. Cool, I know, right? We got another rookie on the back. It's going to be the Minnesota Timberwolves, Jalen Noel. Yeah, Bowl gold. As long as we don't hit like a Ferkman Cork My Ass gold or something lame like that. Jaren Jackson Jr., when is my man going to come back from his injury? I want to see Triple J on the court with Ja and Brandon Clark. Bogdanovich for the hottest team in the NBA, the Utah Jazz. We got our second gold wave coming up in this pack behind TJ Warren. So we will put that down just like the other one and save it to the end. And these Tmalls open very strange. Filled up my trash can already. There's your boy, James Simons. Rudy Gobert. Captain COVID. Gallinari for OKC. Our red wave prism in this one is going to be D'Angelo Russell for the Golden State Warriors. And on the back end, we got a Hall of Fame, Dominique Wilkins for the Atlanta Hawks. Second to last pack in the first box. Aaron Holiday for the Indiana Pacers. DeAndre Ayton for the Phoenix Suns. Miles Turner, Pacers again. We got a Team USA Red Wave, the mailman, Karl Malone. And on the back, our rookie is going to be Ty Jerome. Kind of knew Ty Jerome was in there considering we hit the Zion. Last pack of the first box, and then we will take a look at the two golds. Another D'Angelo Russell. Jake Layman for the Minnesota Timberwolves. Kelly O for the Miami Heat. And our last red wave is not a rookie, but it is a nice card nonetheless. Philly. Joel Embiid might be having an NBA season or a MVP season this year. He's playing savage. There we go. We finish it off with a nice rookie. It's the Chicago Bulls Coby White base. Nice hit for Chicago on the final card of the final pack. With the exception of the 2 gold card packs. So maybe it's not the final card of the final pack. All right, Ryan, you're starting to scare me, man. The sultry. Ryan, are you drinking any Jack Daniels tonight? I know you're hitting something, man. It's some rum or something. What you got? Vodka tonight? That's funny, dude. All right, let's do this. We got the 2 golds coming up. TJ Warren. Our first gold is going to be a rookie. Goga Batazzi Gold Wave Prism rookie. Indiana Pacers. That's Michael S. Congratulations to Goga, if you're a Goga fan. Team USA, Patrick Ewing. We got a Paul Millsap. Our last Gold Wave. It's not a rookie, unfortunately. It is Derek. My hairline starts so far back, it starts on somebody else's head. White. Derek White. The longest nickname in the NBA. And our last card is an NBA debut of Ty Jerome. So not the 2 best gold waves that we were looking for, but we still have box 2. So no jaw in that first box, but we did hit the Zion. Good luck on box number 2. Here we go. Yeah, Derek White. I think I want a Bull instead of a Derek White. Hell, Goga Batazzi. I want a Bull instead of a Goga Batazzi. Okay, here we go. Box number 2. Got the terrible box out of the way. A Red Wave Rui Hachimura NBA debut. A base Coby White rookie, and a Zion base, and a Kevin Porter Jr. Red Wave Prism. If that is a horrible box, I don't know. Box number 2, here we go. Little T.M. Hardaway. We got our gold in here already? Nope. All right. P.J. Tucker, Houston. Paul Millsap, Denver Nuggets. Our first Red Wave. Not a rookie. It's Damian Jones. And on the back, we have an NBA debut. It's your boy, James, Cam Reddish. Cam Reddish for the ATL. Still no Heat. No Tyler Herro. No Ja. Let's change that. No RJ Barrett. Let's go Barrett. Kemba Walker. Going to start us off for the Boston Celtics. Rajon Rondo. I know, man. What the hell? Millsaps everywhere. We do have a silver prism coming up. Come on, let's hit a banger, please. It's a Hall of Fame card, unfortunately. So who are we looking for? Let's go Michael. Let's go Magic or somebody. It's Sir Charles Barkley. Nice hit for Philly. Who's got Philly tonight? Michael H. There you go, bro. Charles Barkley. Our red wave behind him is LaMarcus Aldridge. Always nice to hit a silver prism, though, in these. Little bonus card. NBA debut on the back is going to be my man, Kendrick Nunn. So the Miami Heat are on the board. Yeah, I don't know about Cam Reddish, man. I thought he was going to be super good, but he just makes dumb decisions on the court, it seems, man. I always seem like throwing the ball away and like just doing weird stuff, man. Like, Jay Crowder going to start us off in this pack. Miles Turner again. Gallinari again. Our red wave is Team USA. Larry Bird. Larry Bird, red wave, Team USA. And on the back, we have another Hall of Famer. This time it's Pistol Pete. So this box is starting off a little bit soft. Yeah, I agree, Michael. Like, and he only played, what, one season at Duke, right? And he wasn't even, I don't really remember him being, that big of a baller at Duke. I mean, granted, you got RJ Barrett and Zion and there, so it's kind of tough, but Spencer Dinwiddie going to start us off. Montrezl Harrell behind him for the LA Clippers. DeAndre Ayton showing up 2 times. Our red wave. Red on red. Kelly O for the Miami Heat. And our rookie on the back is going to be Cameron Johnson. Nice hit for the Phoenix Suns. Looks nice. I don't see any damage. Cameron Johnson, there you go. Dude can shoot the 3 for sure. James, how you been doing on your bets, man? NBA, you still betting on the NBA? Yesterday I went 0 for 2. But like 5 days in a row before that, I was like on fire, man. I was just killing it. I even had the Brooklyn Nets. I've been betting real-time bets, and I was all over the Nets the other day when they came from behind. I got like 3 different bets, all $50 each, plus 800, plus 700, and plus 600. It was sick, man. Casey feels like something big is coming. I agree, man. I totally agree. Bruce Brown, CJ McCollum, D-House. Our red wave. It's another Hall of Famer. This time Scottie Pippen for the Chicago Bulls. You can have that card. Our rookie on the back is the wrong Luka, but granted, Luka is not a rookie this year, so looks like he has some kind of an asteroid shooting down on the card too, which is unfortunate, but sometimes Mosaic comes with scratches. Nothing we can do except rip another pack. Ryan, you collect Larry Bird, really? I have a Larry Bird Mosaic Genesis, actually. I pulled it it was one of the very first packs I opened personally for Mosaic. Like literally the first week they came out. I pulled it out of a Target blaster. Kyle Kuzma, LA Lakers. Russ Westbrook. Yeah, I'm dead serious, man. Like, if you're interested in it, I'll give you a good price. Like, I don't really know what to do with it. I'll take it. We can talk about it after if you want. Just hit me up with a message on Facebook or whatever. Russ Westbrook. Jeremy Grant again. I'm seeing double. Let's get some double Zion or something, man. Another non-rookie. It's Kyrie Irving for the Brooklyn Nets. Red Wave. So decent. NBA debut. Jordan Poole. Sounds good, Ryan. Come on, this box has sucked. Let's turn it around. All it takes is a couple of pulls, though, so. Chris Middleton with some scratches on him for the Milwaukee Bucks. Mike Conley making that face of like when he first fell in love. Apparently he's in love with a basketball hoop because that's probably where he's looking. Unless he's looking up at Bol. I don't know. That's possible. Ben Simmons making a second appearance. I agree, James. This box is terrible. I want a refund. A red wave. We still haven't had any gold waves in this box yet, so maybe they're going to turn it around. Jake Layman and a Goga Batazzi. 2 Goga Batazzis now, 1 gold wave and a base. Does that mean we can hit a gold wave Zion? That'd be nice. Devontae Graham. Here we go. We do have our first gold wave coming up. I don't know if I'm excited or nervous to see what it is. Marvin Bagley III. Justice Winslow. Should we wait to the end or should I just pop the gold now? Get it out of the way. Let's see it. It's not a rookie. Man, it is Nick. Wow. And on the back, it is Rui Hachimura. NBA debut. Might be one of the worst Tmall boxes I have ever laid my eyes on. Markieff Morris. I know, I'm crying inside for sure. Jordan Clarkson, Utah Jazz. Domantas Sabonis, Indiana Pacers. Our red wave, can we get a damn rookie? Simons for the Portland Trailblazers. And our last, oh, come on. Nickeil Alexander-Walker 2 times. No sign of job. We haven't even seen Brandon Clark. Jabari Parker's here. Nobody invited him. Drew Holiday's here. We didn't invite him. Terrence Ferguson, Oklahoma City. Our red wave coming up is finally a rookie, but not the most exciting one. Isaiah Roby. Did I say I picked this box, James? I meant my neighbor picked it, actually. Nicholas Claxton. What do you think of Claxton, James? I think Claxton's got potential, man. I'm all trying to change the subject. Damn, this box. It's hurting my feelings. Spicy P, Pascal Siakam. Markel Fultz. Orlando. Enos, the Creature Cantor. Boston Celtics. Come on now, Marc Gasol. Dude. The only thing that would have made this box any worse is if we got skimped out 1 pack. Last card is Quindary Witherspoon, and we got 1 pack to save us from really the most hellacious. Like, I don't know. I think a base NBA hoops hanger would have been better than this, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm hoping when Claxton comes back from his injury, he's going to gel real well with the big three, man. DeAndre Bembry. We do have a final gold wave. Please, please, please don't be Ferkman Corkmayass or someone like that. Scary Bobby friggin' Portis shows up again. Let's go to the back card, I guess. And who do we got? It is a Cam Reddish. So the final card of the day is going to be not a rookie, and it's Malcolm Brogdon. Wow. Wow. So Malcolm Brogdon, Derek White, Goga Batazzi. The other gold wave was so bad, I think I put it in the stack of commons. Yeah, it was Batum. So not the best. My butt hurts. Does that mean tomorrow night's is going to be better? Silver Prism Charles Barkley. I don't know why we keep seeing Bobby Portis. But yeah, look at that. The first box started off fairly decent. Did have a Coby White, Rui Hachimura, base Zion, KPJ red wave. But man, our gold sucked. Sorry, guys, man. Hopefully tomorrow night will be better. Please tune in tomorrow night, even if you don't have a piece of the pie. Thank you guys for spending another Friday night with me. Do have some more Tmall probably coming up soon after this weekend. I don't know. Don't forget to ship me that Larry Legend. We'll talk, Ryan. All right, guys. Thanks again. Talk to you guys next time.